Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to download music from YouTube to mp3. So open your YouTube app and go to profile icon on the right. So scroll down to click to help feedback. So when you click to help feedback, so it will be loading and tap to search bar for audio library. So once you type for audio library, so it will be below and click to audio library and there is the link. So open the link of YouTube auto. So click to this link and it will be open via Google Chrome. So it's opening and you look like this interface of YouTube Studio, and once it will be loading and there are the list of mp3 musics and these are the mp3 musics list. So there are many, you can choose any random. I click to any random. So once I click on the link, so it will be seen option for downloading. So I click on this and it will be downloading automatically. Clips allow, and once it's downloading and I will also check it for play for testing. So it will be downloading completely and I will open it and play to button. So this is how to download from YouTube and play. So that's very easy steps. Hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.